Hello guys, Christmas is soon and I was decided to do video about something special. Today I would like to introduce you Ferrero Rocher. Ferrero Rocher handmade. I think it will be very nice surprise for your boyfriend or your girlfriend. You can buy it, but when you're doing it with your hands, it's much better. I already did it and I wanna try it with you. It's very tasty. I think it's much better than Ferrero Rocher. Really nice. You have to use it good ingredients. Okay, let's see my video. Enjoy it and I hope you like it. Thank you. Okay guys, what we need? We need Nutella. It's very important. Okay, we need dark chocolate, we need nuts. You can use any nuts, but better hazelnut. It's real, will be like Ferrero Rocher. And we need wafers. Okay, I trying to use wafers for ice cream cones, you know? Don't buy cheap one, okay? I bought real wafers. And we need gloves. Thank you, my colleague Victor, who gave it to me gloves. Okay, it's very easy, and I hope you will like it. Okay, first we have to crushing the wafers. I will use whole box. In box I had like 9 cones. Okay, it's ready done. You can see. Okay, now we have to add Nutella. I will show you how it should be. Let's start with the 2 spoons.
Can you take me higher? Higher, higher. Can you take me higher? Higher.
Okay guys, it's ready. Should be like that. Okay? Now very important part. We have to put inside hazelnut. It's not easy, but let's try our best. I will try like that. Because I really like it, they're coming like the same size. Okay, like that, and let's put here on the tray. Okay,
Higher, higher. Can you take me higher? Higher, higher. When you're all in my mind, that's all that matters. That's all that matters.
okay guys, now I will put on the freezer for 1 hour. Okay guys, now we have to melt dark chocolate. I will use microwave. Okay. I will put now in microwave to melt. Now we have to use a little bit hazelnuts for the chocolate. Because when you eat Ferrero Rocher, you feel like the chocolate on the top with a little bit nuts. It should be like that. Yeah, it's okay. That's it. Ferrero Rocher was inside of the freezer half an hour. Okay, you do like that.
That's all that matters. Not just stare in your eyes.
I'm trying to do the best. Okay.
Can you take me higher?
And do with all of them the same, okay? And then we will keep it to dry.
Higher, higher. Can you take me higher? Higher, higher. Can you take me higher? Higher, higher. Can you take me higher? Higher, higher. When you're all in my mind, that's all that matters.
Okay, now we have to wait
That's all that matters.
when it will be dry chocolate. And hope you enjoy it. I hope you will try to do as well. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Can you take me higher?